For this video, I drove the scenic route from suburban Flint to suburban Oakland County. After coming to the Flint area to capture some stuff that I left out for some videos, I really didn't want to drive 75 for the 15th time over the last several months while filming for videos in the Flint area, so this choice was an easy one, and I took the scenic route instead. M15 starts way north of here in Bay City, and from there it travels through some boring cornfields before hitting a landscape mixed with some woods and farms north of Davison, whereas south of Davison it's mostly woods and residential subdivisions here and there. Well, this is downtown Davison, and Davison is actually a pretty nice little town. It's located about 9 miles east of Flint, it's low on crime, and it's affordable. Plus, it's only about a 10-minute drive from here to downtown Flint, and with I-69 it makes it easy to get pretty much anywhere in Genesee County if you end up moving to the area for a job. And if you want to learn more about Davison, make sure to check out my video on Davison and Davison Township, which is on my main channel. And that link will be down below once I upload that video. It was a nice sunny February day here in Michigan when I filmed this video. There was about 4 inches of snow on the ground at the time, and I remember that this day was the first day in a long time that this region saw some sunshine. The countryside between Davison and Clarkston is actually pretty nice. You know, typically in the Midwest, when you go for a country stroll to holler at some country bumpkins, you usually end up going through a bunch of bland-looking cornfields, whereas here, you're going through some woods and rolling hills. Nice change of pace. I mean, don't get me wrong, this area still has hill jacks to look out for, but overall the scenery of pine trees and a few inches of snow made for a nice drive during this time of the year. Well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, as doing all of those things helps these videos destroy the evil monster that is the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below.
Who you calling a hilljack, you hilljack?
Who called who a hilljack? Did I call you a hilljack? Oh wait, yeah, I did call... Well, I didn't call anyone in particular a hilljack. I just said that there's hilljacks to look out for. Listen, it's just a joke, people. It's okay. It's okay. Really, it is. All right, moving on now. This is the village of Goodrich. There's just over 2,000 people that call Goodrich home, and there's not much to it. It's in southeastern Genesee County, just north of the county line with Oakland County. And this is Ortonville, which is in far northern Oakland County. Again, not much to this place either. The village of Ortonville has only about 1,400 people living in it. And this is the city of Clarkston. It became a city in 1992 after being a village for quite some time. It might be one of the smallest cities in all of Michigan. There are less than 1,000 people that live here, about 920 to be exact. Well, there you have it, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, as doing all of those things helps these videos destroy the evil monster that is the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell and select yes, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this video, then you might enjoy checking out some of the featured playlists on this channel. Videos with amazing insights on other places like what you saw here can be found in my Michigan playlist. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. We'll see you next time. Peace!